Betsy Malloy. Father Antonio Cruzado designed the mission, and it has several unusual characteristics. It is the only mission with Moorish-style architecture. The design may have been based on the Cathedral of Cordova in Spain, which was once a Moorish mosque. Most of the other missions in California were built from adobe, but Mission San Gabriel uses stone, brick, and mortar. It took 26 years to construct the church, from 1779 until 1805. The church is 150 feet long and 27 feet wide, with walls 30 feet high and 5 feet thick. It will hold about 400 people. An earthquake in 1812 destroyed the bell tower and damaged the Fathers' quarters. The Fathers lived in the granary until repairs were made. The restoration took until 1828, and the bell tower was replaced with a bell wall or campanario. There are 6 ancient bells in it.